Hello dear students, welcome to the lecture on Advanced Calculus and Numerical Methods. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss a few more examples related to the vector differentiation concept. The first example is find the constants a, b, c such that vector f is equal to x plus y plus az into I cap plus bx plus 2y minus z into j cap plus x plus cy plus 2z into k cap. Call this one as equation number 1 and this vector f is an irrotational vector here. Also find the scalar potential pi for which f is equal to del pi. The first thing is we have to find the constant ABC. The condition they have given that f is an irrotational vector here. So given f is equal to x plus y plus az I cap plus bx plus 2y minus z j cap plus x plus cy plus 2z k cap, call this one as equation number 1. Since the given that f is an irrotational vector, the condition is given like curl f is equal to 0. It means that we have to find curl f and equate that curl f to 0 to find the constant ABC. So let me find curl f. It is given by the determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, x plus y plus az, bx plus 2y minus z, x plus cy plus 2z is equal to 0 vector 0i plus 0j plus 0k. So on expanding this determinant, I'll be getting c plus 1i minus of 1 minus a into j plus b minus 1 into k is equal to 0i plus 0j plus 0k. On simplifying this further, I'll be having c plus 1 I cap plus a minus 1 j cap plus b minus 1 k cap is equal to 0i plus 0j plus 0k. So on equating the coefficients of I, j, k, I'll be having c plus 1 is equal to 0, a minus 1 is equal to 0, b minus 1 is equal to 0. I'll be having c is equal to minus 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. So hence the constants a, b, c are given by a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1. I got it. So now I'm going to incorporate this constant a, b, c in the given f vector. So I'll be getting f is equal to now x plus y plus z I cap plus x plus 2y minus z j cap plus x minus y plus 2z k cap. Call this one as equation number 2. So the next step is I want to estimate the scalar potential pi. So for that, the condition is given like f is equal to del pi. So from this equation, I'm going to estimate the scalar potential pi. So consider f is equal to del pi. So f is given like x plus y plus z I cap plus x plus 2y minus z j cap plus x minus y plus 2z k cap is equal to dou pi by dou x I cap plus dou pi by dou y j cap plus dou pi by dou z k cap. So now on equating the coefficients of I, j, k, I'll be having dou pi by dou x is equal to x plus y plus z, dou pi by dou y is equal to x plus 2y minus z, dou pi by dou z is equal to x minus y plus 2z. So from this three equation, I want to estimate the scalar potential pi. So now from this equation, to estimate the equation pi, I am going to integrate this equation with respect to x, treating yz constant. So from this equation, I am going to integrate this equation with respect to y, treating xz constant. From this one, I am going to integrate this one with respect to z, treating xy constant. So here, on integrating this equation with respect to x, treating yz constant, I'll be getting pi is equal to x square by 2 plus xy plus zx plus f1 of y comma z. Since it is a constant here, I'm choosing the constant in terms of yz. Similarly, on integrating this one with respect to y, treating xz constant, I'll be getting the equation like pi is equal to xy plus y square minus yz plus f2 of x comma z. Similarly, from this equation integrating with respect to z, I'll be getting the equation pi is equal to zx minus yz plus z square and the constant is f3 of x comma y. So now we have to estimate these constants f1, f2, f3 on comparing the equations from these three equations only. So I'm going to compare to find the f1 constant. I'm going to choose this f1 constant from this equation number 4 and 5. So like how to choose means the function must have only y and z variables. I mean the function must be free from the x variable and it must be in the 4 and 5 also. Similarly, to find the constant f2 of x comma z, choose a function which is free from y variable and it should be there in both the equation number 3 as well as 5. Similarly, to find the constant f3 of x comma y, choose the function which is free from z variable from the equation number 3 and 4. So on comparing the equations like this, I can choose f1 of y comma z as minus yz. So it is common in both the equations. I can choose like that. So f2 of x comma z will be chosen like zx, zx. So it is there in both the equations also. I can choose like that. f3 of xy is given by xy and xy from the equation number 3 and 4. So now if I replace all these three constants in the respective equations, I'll be getting only single equation, that is pi is equal to, I'll be getting equation like x square by 2 plus y square plus z square plus xy plus zx minus yz. So this is the required scalar potential. We got it. Second problem, show that f is equal to y plus z I cap plus zx plus j cap plus x plus y k cap is irrotational. And also find the scalar potential pi such that f is equal to del pi. So given f is equal to, we are having y plus z I cap plus zx j cap plus xy k cap. Call it as equation number 1. So from this equation, we have to show that the given f is an irrotational. It means we have to find that curl f is equal to 0. So take the formula for curl f. It is given by the determinant of ijk, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, y plus z, zx, z plus x, x plus y. On expanding this, I will be getting 1 minus 1 I cap minus of 1 minus 1 j cap plus 1 minus 1 k cap. It will be equal to 0. I got it. So hence we can say that the f is an irrotational vector. Similarly, now I am going to find the scalar function pi from the equation f is equal to del pi. So for that, consider y plus z is into I cap plus zx, z plus x into j cap plus x plus y into k cap is equal to dou pi dou x I cap plus dou pi dou y j cap plus dou pi dou z k cap. It will be equal to what? Dou pi by dou x is equal to y plus z. So now to find the pi variable here, I am going to integrate this equation with respect to x, treating y and z constant. So I'll be getting what? xy plus zx plus f1 of y comma z. I can get it. So similarly, I'm going to estimate the value of pi from the second equation. So integrating this equation with respect to y, treating x and z constant, I'll be getting the equation like zy plus xy plus f2 of x comma z. I can take it. So from this equation, I'm going to integrate this one with respect to z, treating xy constant. I'll be getting pi is equal to xz plus zy plus f of x comma y. So now again same thing, to find the constant f1, f2, f3, compare the coefficient and choose the constants in the same equations only. So to find the constant f1, choose the value from 3 and 4. And similarly, to find f2, choose from 2 and 4th equation. To find f3, choose it from 2 and 3rd equation. So after finding all this constant, I'll be getting pi is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. One more example, find the constant a and b such that f is equal to axy plus z cube I cap plus 3x square minus z j cap plus bx z square minus y k cap is an irrotational vector. And also find the scalar function such that f is equal to del pi. So first thing is we have to find the constant a and b from the given f vector, and since it is an irrotational, we can use a function curl f is equal to 0. So first take the formula curl f and equate it to 0. So it will be given by ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z with a function axy plus z cube 3x square minus z bx square z minus y is equal to 0 vector. So on expanding this determinant, I'll be getting minus 1 plus 1 I cap minus of bz square minus 3z square j cap plus 6x minus ax k cap is equal to 0 vector. So on simplifying this further, I'll be getting 0i minus of b minus 3z square j cap plus 6 minus a into x k cap is equal to 0 vector. So b minus 3 z square is equal to 0, 6 minus a into x is equal to 0. On equating the coefficients of I, j, k, I will be getting like this. So now it will be equal to what? B is equal to 3. Since the z square is not equal to 0, I can take only b minus 3 is equal to 0. Since here also x is not equal to 0, I can take only x6 minus a is equal to 0. I'll be getting b is equal to 3 and a is equal to 6. So now replace both this b and a value in the given equation to find the actual vector f vector. That is f is equal to 6xy plus z cube I cap plus 3x square minus z j cap plus 3xz square minus y k cap. I can get it. So now I'm going to estimate the scalar function pi from the equation f is equal to del phi. So take the f vector here, that is 6xy plus z cube I cap plus 3x square minus z j cap plus 3x z cube minus y k cap is equal to dou pi dou x I cap plus dou pi dou y j cap plus dou pi dou z k cap. So on equating the coefficients of I j k, from the I coefficient I will be getting dou pi by dou x is equal to 6xy plus z cube. So now integrate this equation with respect to x to find the value of pi by treating x, y and z constant. I'll be getting pi is equal to 3x square y plus xz cube plus f1 of y comma z. Call this one as equation number 3. Similarly, from the j coefficient, I'll be getting dou pi by dou y is equal to 3x cube minus z. On integrating this with respect to y, treating xz constant, I'll be getting pi is equal to 3x square y minus zy plus f2 of x comma z. Call this one as equation number 4. From the k coefficient, I'll be getting dou pi by dou z is equal to 3xz square minus y. On integrating this one with respect to z, treating x and y constant, I'll be getting pi is equal to xz cube minus yz plus f3 of x comma y. Call this one as equation number 5. So same thing here also to find the constants. So to find f1, choose a function which contains only y and z variable from f2 and f3. And to find f2, choose a function having only x and z variable, choose from f1 and f3 from 3 and 5 equation. To find f3 of x comma y, choose a function having only x and y variable, choose from 3 and 4th equation. So I'll be getting pi is equal to 3x square y minus yz plus x cube. Xz cube is the required solution. Thank you.